How to see who follows your playlist on Spotify. So if you have created a playlist on Spotify and you want to see who have followed your playlist, then this video might help you. Make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the homepage of Spotify, from where you'll be able to export your various music over here. At the lower button you can see the option like home, search, your library and premium. You just have to tap over your library option over here, and you need to open up to the playlist in which you want to see the followers. Here I'm just opening up to my playlist. So over here you will be able to see all of the songs that you have created, and also there are various options at the right hand side and also at the left hand side. So there's a three dotted vertical line at the left hand side. You just have to tap over there, and by doing that various options will be available. So here is the playlist name and also the name of yours, and it's also mentioned as a public playlist. So if you have got some followers on your playlist, then the followers number will be available in this section. But right now no any followers are available, so it's empty. So the thing is, you only will be able to see the numbers of followers, but you won't be able to see who have followed you on the playlist. That's the thing. But whenever someone has followed your playlist, you can track them and you can see who have followed. That's the thing. So I hope you are able to know that. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.